Hello, how are you guys? Well, it's time for some math today because it's Monday. And today we are going to work with those doubles facts that we practiced last week. And we've been practicing these for a couple of weeks. You're getting pretty good. You know that 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8. You guys got it? Okay, and then we keep going. You ready? 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus 6, 12. 7 and 7 make 14. 8 plus 8, 16. Good. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 10, 20. 11 plus 11, 22. Right? And 12 plus 12 is 24. That's a lot of doubles facts. You are getting good at that. Well, we're going to practice these today with a few word problems. And actually, we're going to learn how to use what you already know to solve even more difficult problems. Did you know you can do more difficult things? You've made some connections in your brain, so you're ready. So today our first problem is Carlos and Emily each pick 5 strawberries. What doubles fact shows how many strawberries they have in all? So let's stop right there. We're just doing this part. Carlos and Emily each pick 5 strawberries. There's a couple ways we could do this. We could draw a picture. We could use some counters, or we could just use the doubles fact. Let's start with a picture. So let's grab out a red for my strawberries. And it said they each pick 5. So I'm going to say this is Carlos's basket and this is Emily's basket. Carlos has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Emily also picked 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've probably already figured it out. So how many do they have in all? 5 plus 5 is 10. So we could write down our doubles fact. We know it's a doubles fact because the add-ins are the same. The numbers we are adding together are the same. 5 plus 5. Those add-ins are the same. But now the problem's about to get tricky. If Emily picks 1 more strawberry, how could you find how many strawberries in all? So she's going to pick 1 more. I'm going to use blue to show this 1 more for Emily. If you are picking strawberries and there's a blue one, don't pick that one. That probably doesn't taste any good. Okay, so we have 5. And is it 5 plus 5 still? No, it's 5 plus 6. Well, that's not one of the doubles facts that we've practiced, so I can't do it. Or can I? Well, here's the trick. You know that 5 and 1 more is 6. So 5 plus 6 is going to be 1 more than 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. You guys are awesome. So 5 plus 6 is 11. We know it's just 1 more, so we can use the doubles fact to help us. Let's do that. Show some magnets. So I'm going to use 2 triangle towers to show it to you. So this is the doubles fact, 1 plus 1. Well, if I had 1 plus 2, I would know that 2 is only 1 more than 1. So the whole answer is just going to be 1 more. So instead of 1 plus 1 equals 2, it's 1 plus 2 equals 3. Let's build up our tower a little higher. Let's do a different doubles fact. Let's do this fact. Do you remember this one? 4 plus 4 is 8. Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8. But what if it's not 4 plus 4? What if it's 5 plus 4? Well, you know 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 is just 1 more. So it's 9. Very good. Awesome. When we are using near doubles, that's what we call these. We call them near doubles facts or doubles plus 1. When we are doing these near doubles facts, we just look at the smaller number. So if I had 7 plus 8, I'm going to see, look, they're just 1 apart, so I know it could be a near doubles. I'm going to look at the smaller number. That's 7. And I'm going to think in my head, 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? It's 14. So I'm going to put that 14 in my head. 14. I'm going back to this 8. 8 is 1 more than 7, so I know this has to be 1 more. 1 more than 14 is 15. What if it's not just 1 more, though? What if this was 7 plus 9? It's another near doubles fact. I'm going to think about this for a minute. What can I do? 7 doubled, 7 plus 7 is 14. I know that 9 is 2 more than 7. So I know that the answer is going to be 2 more than 14, and the answer is 16. If that's still a little confusing, that's okay. Let's try it on a different page. All right. We are going to look at it again, that same problem, remember? So don't worry about the words over there yet. We're going to just do the same problem. 7 plus 9. Well, 7, I'm going to do a picture for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'll do 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 7 is 14. So I have 14 green spots. And then if you look at this other one, there were 2 more, right? 2 more to make 9. That's 2 more. So I'm going to go up from 14, up 2 more. 14, 15, 16. I can see my answer is 16. Awesome. Now let's erase a little bit of this. We have space to do our new problem. Andy says that he can find 9 plus 5 by starting with 9 plus 1 equals 10. What do you think about Andy's way? Show your work and explain. I want to look at Andy's way. I'm going to use a 10 frame to show his thinking. Right. So he's trying to do 9 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then he has 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, Andy says that he can find 9 plus 5 by starting with 9 plus 1. How would you do that? You could take this counter and move it up to our empty spot. So I'm going to erase our counter and see if my stamp will work. Sometimes the stamp doesn't work after that. There we go. And I moved it up to the empty spot. So 9 is now in the 10 frame with a 1, and that is 10. What's left over? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made the 10 frame all filled up, and I know inside the 10 frame there are 10 dots, right? If it's full, that's 10. So I have 10, and then I have 4 more. So I can count from there. 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I have 14. 9 plus 5 equals 14. I like Andy's way. That is a good way to figure out big addition problems. You can fill the 10 frame or find 10 first. You will get some chances to practice that this week. I hope you had fun, and if you have some questions about how to do these, we have math tomorrow, so I'll see you tomorrow and you can ask me then, okay? See you soon.